Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make a poll on Discord. So to make a poll on Discord, first go to the Google Chrome and add a bot onto the Discord server. So this is the process of adding a bot on a Discord server. We have already made a tutorial video on how to add bots on Discord server. So once you have added a bot, go to the message box and type in /poll, and in the options you can see you can add a poll on GIF and many more. So I have selected GIF, GIF, and then click on the send option and your poll is ready. So that is how easily you can make a poll on Discord.
If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.